Hello all my radically wild souls out there. My name is Yvonne and here I am at this beautiful waterfall here in this beautiful paradise. And this waterfall was not a very well known waterfall, but it is now, thanks to social media. Many people are finding out about these beautiful places. They're beautiful gems that went undiscovered by many of the people. But now many people want to come from far away to see these beautiful places. And they come from far away with their trash. And this is what they do. They hide it in nature. Look at that. There's a whole bunch of cans in there. In here. All through inside there. This is their trash can. Nature is the trash can of many people on this beautiful island and all over the world, as this is a global problem. But look at this beauty. But we choose to leave our garbage. So I asked the question, why come to a beautiful place like this if you cannot truly appreciate and cherish it? There's so much magic, so much beauty all over this beautiful island. And to treat it like this with so much disrespect, that is very shameful. That is very sad. You gotta start waking up. Appreciate this beauty. So here's a bag that I got, and it's so simple that we could do this change. Oh, this stinks and reeks of beer. But we all must do our part, I think. We could say to ourselves, what's the point? What is the point of picking up this trash when tomorrow it's going to get filled up again with trash? Look at that. And the point is that we should not accept this as being normal. The point is that we should not allow this. The point is, this is our home and we should be defending and taking care of our home. So I choose to do something about it instead of doing nothing about it. And so just pick up whatever you can. Every little bit makes a difference. We are that change. We are that somebody. We are that somebody to do that something. So be that somebody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and visit my website radicallywild.com and follow me on all social media at radicallywild. Be wild, everyone!